right? Uh, yeah, so talk to them, uh, gather some strength, and find one or two person whom you think that yeah, he's like me, or I can be
I,
him. Yeah,
actually,
so
sir, I have
mhm.
some trust issues. That's why I don't prefer
trust
to make.
trust to, but you will have to make some friends so that you know that you can trust them or not, right? So first you make friends, and then
Yes, sir.
the trust issues comes after that, right? Whenever you have friends and then tell them something, and then that is so trust issues comes later. You make friends first, and then trust issues comes. So yeah, first do the first step. Think about the first step, and then think about the rest. So this is very crucial, right? And you are in your school right now, so you are in your 10th standard, and whenever you go outside, so whenever you will come to let's say graduation, and when you will be doing your graduation and master, so you'll be all alone, and then you'll have to survive in the world. So you at least have some social skills, right? You need some social skills. So please talk to your friends, make friends and talk to them. Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
And this is yeah. So you have your class friends, right? Everyone is here: Abir, Amira, and Tejasvi. Tejasvi join. So Faz is here, right? So all the people who are here, they are your friends, right? They are your classmates. So yeah, don't think about right, Abir, Amira, and Faz.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Because
they are chill, right? So be chill. Don't think about too much, because yeah, after you have crossed certain age, then the thinking will come. So then you'll have to think about other things, family, other problems. Then the life would be very difficult. But at this age, yeah, this age is all about making friends and enjoying. So the thinking should be uh, left to your daddy and mom, right? And your elder brothers. So how many brothers and sisters do you have?
Sir, single child.
You are a single child. Oh, hmm. So don't you have any cousins?
Sir, I have a sister from maternal aunt, no,
Oh,
maternal aunt's daughter.
yeah. So you have one sister, right? So talk with her, right? And talk to her, and yeah. Okay, so yeah, but this is very important here, right?
So she's 6.
Oh, she is six. Yeah, so you can talk to a 6-year-old child, right? So you can also talk to her. Okay, yeah.
Sir, I have messaged you something.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah. So this is very important, right?
Sir, but don't not loudly.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, you go to school, talk to somebody, right? So yeah, this is very important. Okay, so let us start the class, right? And yeah, so uh, you can also divert your mind whenever you think about too much. So divert your mind with something, whatever you enjoy. So in my case, I watch anime. I watch a lot of anime. Oh, parents study and gym, right? So you enjoy gymming, right? So yeah.
Yes,
Okay, so then you can have your gym friends, right? Who will tell you about which lift or what kind of exercise you can do.
sir, trainer.
Yeah, so trainer and whatever colleague of chief. So you can also talk to them. There are
Yes,
many people, right? There are many people around. So
yes,
then you will learn about life, right? Then you will learn about a lot about the people around. So yeah, there are different kinds of people there. Okay, okay. Yeah. So let us start with the question, right? And where is Tejasvi? So she is not joining, and okay. So where were we? We completed the 10th question, right? And whose turn was it? I forgot. I guess so. Faz's turn was completed, right? And then
Yes,
it
sir.
was yeah, and then it was my turn. So, okay, so let us start with the 11th question. What I will do is that yeah, so I will take the 14th question. Huh? Oh, this one is not where that is like so this we did. Okay, and yeah, so I will take the 14th question. So Amira will take the 11th question, and then Abir will take the 12th, 13 would be Shreyas, and then 14 would be mine, and then 15th Faz. Yeah, so I also have in my school, I had only two or three friends, and up until now, they are my friends. I can rely on them at any point of time. So that is why friends are there, right. So find a person, right, whom you can rely on, whom you can trust.
Yes, sir.
So, and this can happen when you try different persons, right? So you'll find many person, but you can rely on two or three. So yeah. Okay. So 11th question. Yes, Amira. So we have this 6.40 figure, right? And let us quickly draw this diagram. So the key idea is what? Finding the triangle and knowing which property we will use. This is the right, which is the right angle. Make the right angle and then draw the other side. So let's say this one is the right. Yeah. So this is A, this is F, this is C, and this is B, this is B, and this is okay. Now we have to prove what is given, Amira, in this question.
AB is equals to AC.
AB equal to AC, and this is perfect, right? So T and angle F, they are 90. And what we need to prove?
Triangle ABT is similar to triangle ECF.
APT is similar to triangle EC. right? So ABD and ECF, right? ABD and ECF. Okay. Yeah. So what are the triangles do we have? ABD. This one, ABD, and this one. Okay. So these are the two things. So what is the use of this information? Why this is given? Yes, Amila, you tell me about this. What is the use of this information? Yes, Amira. So if ABC is an isosceles triangle, right? AB equal to AC. So what is the use of this information?
Maybe it would be
Yes, it would
equal
be.
to FC or CF would be equal. No,
Yes, yes. So what did you say? So maybe, yeah, whatever is coming into your mind. So yes, what is the use of this information? AB equal to AC. We have to prove that ABD is similar to ECA. So we can have these are three properties, right? Or let's say the fourth one. So we can have these four properties with which we can prove that these triangles are similar, right?
yes, sir.
So we know that the sides we cannot, because only angles are given, right?
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
sides we cannot talk about. Only these two things we can talk about, right?
Yes, sir.
So one angle we know already,
Yes, sir.
this one and this one. We have to find another angle. So you see that we have this. So this must have some right use. That is why it is given. So this relation must have some purpose, right?
Maybe
Because
some relation with angle A and angle C.
angle A and angle C. Okay. So let me again change my question. And let's say that you have this triangle ABC. In that, ABC is an isosceles triangle and AB equal to AC. So what more information can you tell about this isosceles triangle?
Angle B and angle C would be equal.
Yeah, angle B. So now can you understand about what I am asking? Yeah. Do you understand what I am talking about? So if I am asking that what is the use of this information, so do you understand? Which angle would be equal then if AB equal to BC?
Angle B is equal to angle C.
Yes. So this one angle, this is equal to this angle. So this angle B is coming in which triangle?
In triangle ABD,
ABD, right? So angle B is angle, and this C angle is coming in which triangle?
triangle ECF.
CF, right? So angle isosceles triangle, right? Angles of isosceles triangle. And as you said, what was the other angle,
Angle D and F.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which means that angle triangle ABD is similar to triangle F by AA criteria. Right, guys? So, clear this question.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, please note it down. And then 12th is Abhi's step, right? 13th, Shreyas, then 14, me, 15, Faz, and 16th. Okay, so again, me. You guys quickly note it down and then, yeah. So in this chapter, we only followed two things. We just found out the triangles and then we just remember the properties of those triangles.
Done, sir. Noted.
Then it's Faiz, Shears, Amira. Oh, Amira did this problem.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
Learnivio.
sir.
Twelfth question. Right, Abhi. So we have side AB and BC and median area of a triangle ABC are respectively. So AB and BC and median area of a triangle PQQR and median PM of show that ABC equal to PQR. So this is the same question, right? AB and BC and median area of a triangle respectively and median PM show that ABC PQR. So this 12th question is and 14th question. Are these different questions? They are looking same to me, right? Yes, guys. Can you guys see the? Okay, so AB and AC, AB and BC. Yeah, only this much is different. Okay, so let's draw the diagram. So we have AB and this is ABC and this is PQR. Okay, and the median this is T and this is M. So in the question, it is given that, yeah, it is given that, what is given, Abir?
AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM.
By QI equals to AD by PM. Okay, so this much is given, right?
Yes, sir.
And okay, so and also what is given that AD, or let me write this BD equal to DC equal to let me write BC by this one and QM equal to MR equal to QR by 2. So these things are also given, right?
Yes, sir.
Because AD is a median.
Median.
So let me talk about three things. So we have three kinds of thing in triangle. One is the, let me draw all these three and then you guys will tell what are which. So this one is this one is this, and this one is. So, Abhi, you tell me what is this?
So that is altitude or
Altitude.
height.
right? Altitude or height. Okay, and Amira, you tell me what is this?
Median?
Median, right? Okay, and then Shreyas, you tell me what is this?
Sorry, sir. Please repeat.
Yeah, what is this? If these two angles are given, so what is this? These two angles are equal. What is?
Yes. Sir, is it angle bisector?
Yes, absolutely correct. Yeah, Faiz, I don't have any question for you because only three things were given. So when the side divides the other side in equal parts, so that is called median. And when this is perpendicular to the third side, so that is altitude. And then whenever the angles are divided equally, so this is angle bisector. So we have these three kinds of lines, right? Okay, so you guys already know that. Yeah, so these informations we know. And what we have to prove, Abir?
Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR.
ABC is similar to triangle PQR, right? So again, we have to prove that these two triangles, we have to prove that these two triangles are similar, right?
Yes.
And the other one is this. Okay. So what we have? What do we have? We have AB by PQ and BC by QR, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have, let us fix our goal, right? Let us find our goal first, and then we can solve the problem. So the problem solving would be easy when we have a goal in our mind. So let us find the goal first. We already have this one similar to this one and this one, right? And we have four properties: S, 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 A, S, A, A, and triple A. These four properties. So, can we talk about the angles?
No, sir.
So, this is discarded. Can we have two angles?
No, sir.
So, this is also discarded. Now we are left with these ones, right? So,
Yes, sir.
either we prove that this AC by PR is also equal to this one, right?
Yes.
Or we prove that if these two sides are equal or proportional, so which angle we have to prove equal?
Angle B is equal to angle Q.
Angle B equal to angle Q, right? So I guess that we don't have any information about this one, so proving this one would be difficult, right?
Yes.
So let us make our target or make our goal about this angle. How can we prove this angle to be equal, right? So skip this. Let us focus on this problem, right? We have to prove
Yes.
that this angle is equal. And what are the informations do we have? We have this one and this one. We have this one and this one, and we have this one and this, right?
Yes, sir.
So how can we prove this P and Q angle equal? So we only
Sir,
know about, yes, yes,
we have to prove angle B is equal to angle Q so that it is similar by SAS,
yeah. But
and they will be.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
So how can we prove that angle P is equal to angle Q? Right.
Yes, sir. We will have to prove ABD is similar to PQM
Right, absolutely correct.
and by
So if
CPST.
yeah, so we divide our targets into parts, right? First, we prove that these are equal, right? So to do that, we have to consider different triangles. So what we will do is that let us skip this triangle first, right? And we will come back to this triangle later. So our first target is proving the angles equal. Okay, so as Abir said, we have to take first different triangle. So now change our in triangle ABG and triangle
PQM.
PQF. Right. So we have this triangle and we have this triangle. Okay. We already have AB by PQ. This one we have. We have AD
By
by
PM.
PM. But we have this one, BC by QR. Right. We have this whole site. But how can we write BC in form of BD? Right? We need BD in this triangle. In triangle ABD, we need to talk about this BD and this QF.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So
BD
how?
is half of BC.
Yeah. But we know that BC by QR is equal, right? So in
Yes.
place of BC, how can we write BD? Yes. So
2BD
yes,
is equal to
absolutely
BC.
right. So in place of BC and in place of QR,
We can write 2QM.
so BC is 2BD, right? And this is 2QR. So 2 cancels and we have AB by PQ. This is equal to AD by PM. This is equal to BD by Q. Right? Can I do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I have proven that all the three sides, this triangle, these two triangle I chose, and I have proven that all these three sides are proportional, right? So from this we can say that triangle ABD similar to triangle. And as Abir suggested, right? And as Abir suggested that AD and PM are proportional. So what is the angle opposite to AD?
Angle B.
Angle B, right? So, and what is the angle opposite to PM,
Angle Q.
right? So this is by triple S, right here, okay, and then angle B equal to angle Q by CPST, right? And now we can, so this was our goal, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we can choose. So now in triangle ABC and PQR. So we can say we can use the this one AB by PQ. This is equal to BC by QR, right? And this is given. And angle B is angle Q. This is right. So we can write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR
By
as
SAS.
by right. So this was the question. Any doubt, guys? Yes. Do you
No,
guys
sir.
have any doubts? Yeah. So please note it down. And good way. So that should be the approach, right? Where do we want to? What do we want to do? So finding the goal is important. Okay. So
Sir,
13th.
done.
Yeah. Done. You have noted. Okay.
Done, sir. Done.
Okay. So you guys have noted up to this point.
No, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
no, sir. Yes, sir. And what is between yes and no?
Yes, sir, done.
Yeah. Faiz, did you note it down? Because Abhi did this problem. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, oh, you also noted it down. Yes, noted, Faiz.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us move on to the next question.
Sir, is it my question?
So Faiz, right? It is. Oh yeah, that is your question. Yeah. Yes, sure. So 13th one is your question. 14th is mine, then 15th Faiz, and then because what happens is that whenever Faiz turns come, so so the class is ending. So let us quickly. So these would be the so this is the last exercise of triangle, and then we'll start the coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is the so it will not take that much of time, right? It has so many few problems, and that is easy to solve. Yes, Shreyesh. So your question. D is a point on the side of
Uh,
BC of a triangle such that, yeah. So let me draw the diagram first and then you tell. So D is the ABC is a triangle. Let us draw the ABC triangle first. And such that D is a point on side BC. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. And ADC, D is a point on a side, so that ADC, ADC, this is equal to BAC. Okay. So let's say that this is right. So ADC, this angle is equal to BAC, right?
yes, sir, it is.
Okay. And we have to prove that. We have to prove that, yeah, what is given?
CA square is equals to CB into CD.
Yeah, this is given AD equal to angle AC. And we have to prove that A square equals to CB dot. Okay. And yeah, so what have I told you guys? First, we have to find what?
Sir, in triangle ABC,
Yes.
we will in triangle ADC and BAC, angle ADC is equals to angle BAC. Sir, given and angle C is common.
Good, good, good.
So by double A similarity, triangle ADC will be similar to triangle BAC.
Yes, yes. Yeah, so let me write those. So you are telling me so far. So let me write all those. Yeah. So as you say, the
Sir, actually, I have
triangle.
solved this problem in my notebook. That's why I am telling
Yeah, yeah.
fast.
So you remember, right? You have solved and then you remember. So this is
Yes,
in
sir.
triangle ADC and triangle BAC. Okay. Or let me write A. So these are the two triangles, and we know that in ADC, angle ADC, this is
Is
equal to
equals to
angle.
angle BAC given.
This is given, And then I have what angle C. This
Angle C is common.
okay. So as you said, a triangle ADC similar to triangle ABC, and by what A
By
criteria.
double A similarity.
Okay. So now, what was the purpose of this proof?
Yes,
Right.
so now AD upon BA will be equal
Okay.
to DC upon AC,
Yeah.
and DC upon AC will be equal to AC upon BC.
Okay. So we have to find the corresponding parts of AD. Yes. Yes, Shreyas. What is the side which is opposite to angle D in triangle ADC? Yeah. Am I audible?
So, so side opposite to angle D AC.
AC, right? And angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. So what is the side which is opposite to angle BAC,
BC.
right? And then let us take this C angle. So what is the side in this triangle ADC which is opposite to C?
So AD.
AD. And what is the side in triangle ABC which is opposite to
So AB.
C? Okay, so let us stop it here because CA we have. Oh, we don't have. So we have to find another one. Right. So angle B. This angle B is equal to what?
So AD.
DAC, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So
Side AD.
so so AD, huh, this one. So angle in BAC. What is the yeah? So what is the side opposite to angle B in triangle AB?
So in triangle ADC.
Yeah, in ADC, we have this angle, right? And this angle is equal to this angle. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is the side which is opposite to this angle?
So DC.
DC, right? And then this angle is equal to this angle. So what is the side opposite to this angle? In triangle ABC,
Sir, AC.
right? So now in this question, we have AC, right? And CB and CD. So we don't need AD and AB, so let us forget about them. And we have AC by BC, this is equal
Will
to,
be equal to DC upon AC.
right? So then we cross multiply, so this is
Yes, sir.
C,
Therefore, CA square is equals to CB into CD.
yes, good. So this is what we wanted, right? Yes, correct, Shresh. Yeah, so is this a question clear to the rest of the speakers, Faz, Sabir, and Amira?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please note it down and then, yeah, so the 14th question comes. I will talk about this 14th question. Please note it down there. Yeah, I should write by Yes, noted, guys.
Yes, sir, done.
Done, done.
Says, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now the 14th question. So we have two triangles, ABC and PQR, right? A, B, C, and PQR. And AB and AC and median AD of a triangle, right? So AB, AC, and median of a triangle. Let me write the median also. So these are the two median. Okay, so AD and this one is this one is so why is this? Yeah, now it is fine. So PM, right? What is that? PM. Now what is given? So it is given that AB by PQ. This is equal to AC by PR, and this is equal to AD by what? PM. So these are the things, three things given: AB, PQ, and AC, and PR, and AD, and PM. Who got it? Yeah, Shreyas got. So these three things are given, right? And what we need to prove? We need to prove that triangle ABC, again same question, but the sides are different. Okay. So again, you guys see that we have this one and this one, right? This is proportional, and this one and this one proportional. So we need, again, can we talk about any of the angles? Yes,
No.
No, sir.
this is discarded. Again, no two angles. This is discarded. So we have to talk about this side and this side, right? Or these two are given, so we have to prove that this angle is equal, right? So, and we have only this much information in this triangle and in this triangle, right? So, in this triangle and in this triangle, we don't have any other information, only this one and this one. We don't know about this angle and this angle, right? We don't know about this side and this side, right? So, do we have enough information to use? Just like tell, do we have enough information to
No, sir.
right?
No, sir.
Yes, says. So, do we have enough information? Yeah. So, we don't have much information in our hand, right? So, whenever we don't have enough information, we do construction, right? We do the different things. So, we do constructions, right? And in this case, what we will do is that, right, Because you see that whenever I choose this triangle, right? And whenever I choose this triangle, then this information is not there, right? So I have to do a construction in such a way that I have to use this one also, and this one also. Is that clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, what I do is that I make a construction in such a way that I extend this AD line, and I extend this AD line, right? This is equal to this line, okay? And then I join these sides. Okay, let's say this is E. Similarly, I do the construction here. I expand this PM line, right? I extend this PM line, and then which is PM equal to this, let's say this is N, and then I join these. Okay, so what is the use of this equal extension? And we will see that. So we will see that. The idea is that the goal in my mind is that I want to prove this angle and this angle, right? So what I will do is that I will prove this angle equal to this angle, and this angle equal to this angle, right? And then I will add. This is my goal. Is that clear to you guys? So this is not a good question, right? This is a very lengthy question. That's why I chose this question. So this is not a good question, and this uses a lot of misinformation. So the information which is not there, and we have to find it ourselves. Okay, yeah. So we have this one which is equal to this one, and this one is also equal to this one, right? And this one is also equal to this one. Why? Because AD and PM are median. Oh,
Medians.
so BD equal to DC and QM equal to right. So this I now what I need to use is that I have yeah. So let me say that. Let's say that in triangle ABD and triangle PQM. So in triangle, not in triangle PQM, but in triangle, let's say CD. I will only take these two triangles. So this one and this. Okay. So we know that we know that BD equal to D. Okay. And we know that AD equal to D. Okay. And what do we know about this angle?
They're equal because they're vertically opposite angles.
Yes, yes, correct. So angle ADB, this is equal to angle CD, right? So we have this side equal, this side equal, this is angle is equal. So what can we say about these two triangles?
They're congruent
Yes,
by SAS.
yes. So congruent by S, right? So they are congruent, which means this AB is equal to what? Yeah, this AB is equal to what?
AB is equal to CE.
Yes. So AB equal to C. So now what was the purpose of this construction and these two triangles? What was the purpose? Right. This may have some purpose that I'm doing that. Because without the purpose, there is no need to solve or there is no need to prove that why these two triangles are congruent. Right. So the purpose was that I wanted to prove that these two sides are equal. Right. So if these two sides are equal, similarly, I can prove that similarly I can prove that in these two triangles, what can I prove? You guys tell me the final answer. What can I prove? Similarly, I have proven that AB equal to C. So what can I prove in these two triangles? PQN and RMN.
PQ is equal to RN.
Yes, absolutely right. So I can prove that PQ equal to RN. PQ equal to RN. Right. So similarly, and I will tell you guys that why in triangle, which was the triangle? PQM and triangle RMN, PQ equal to RN. PQ equal to RN. So what was the purpose of these two sides which I proven to be equal? What was the purpose? Okay. So I know that this AB and this PQ is proportional to AC and PR. But can I use that information along with any other information? Can I use that? So these two proportionality were detached. They were disjoint because I cannot connect this one and this one and this one and this one with any other information. Right. Did you guys understand that what I am saying? Yes.
Sir, can you tell one more time?
Yeah. So you guys see that this is AB and this is PQ and this is AC and this is PR. So this is proportional, which is given AB by PQ, AC by PR. And now this is proportional to this one. So these three are totally disjoint, right? I cannot
Yes,
use
sir.
them together. I cannot use them together, right?
Yes, sir.
But let's see what this CE and RN makes it. So what does this mean? So let's say that if I take this triangle, these two triangles, if I take this one, right, this one and this one. So as AB is equal to CE and as PQ equal to RN, so I can use EC, I can use RN, I can use AC, I can use PR. And can I use this PN and AE? Tell me about that. Can I use
Yes, sir.
AE?
Yes, sir.
Right? Why? Because this AD and PM are proportional. Right?
Yes.
So if I multiply with 2, then this would be also proportional.
Equal to each other. Yes.
Yeah, so which means that I can use this one, I can use this one, and I can use this one. All the three information I can use, right?
Yes, sir.
So this was the purpose of this construction. Right. So did you guys understand the purpose of this construction?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, okay. So now, yeah, so I already talked about these two triangles, right? So let us take these two triangles. Okay, so that is why I wanted to do this one because they are all different misinformation. They are all scattered information, and we have to combine them together. So in triangle AEC and triangle PNR, we know that AC and this is equal to PR, and we know that CE, or let me write AB, this is equal to PQ, and I also know that AD by what? Yeah. So I can write AC by PR, and in place of AB I can write CE, and in place of RN, and this is 2AD, and this is 2PN, right? Which means that because AB equal to C and PQ equal to R. Right, so AC by PR, this is equal to CE by RN, and this is equal to AE by PN. So which means that triangle AEC similar to triangle PN. Right. Remember that we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Right. And what is our goal? Our goal is that we have to prove that these two angles are equal. So only this is equal, right? So to reach this goal, we have to do these kind of jhamelas. So many jhamelas, and we have to find out the proper way. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So first we wanted to connect this one and this one with this one and this one. So this we did by taking this triangle, right? Now we have proven that these two triangles are similar by triple S criterion. So you guys will be asking that what was the purpose of these two triangles, right? What's the use of these two triangles? Why did we prove that these two triangles are similar? Yes, any idea, guys? What was the
So,
purpose?
so to prove that the angles are also equal because of
Yeah, yes, absolutely right.
CPST.
Yeah, so we wanted to prove that this three angles, right? This angle is equal to this angle, right? So angle 3 equal to angle 4 by CPST. And and let me tell you guys that similarly we will do the whole process. We will do the exactly same process and prove that this side is equal to this side equals to this one. Then we take these two triangles, and then we prove that one equals to two. Right. So how can I how can I combine all those three information in one line? So all these three information are just constrained in this line. Similarly, one equal to angle, right? So without doing all these proof again, we just wrote similar. Angle one equal to angle two. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4. You guys see that we have two angles, right? So this is 1 equal to this 2, and this angle equal to this angle 4. So if I add 1 plus, so let me write this 3 and this 4. So if I add equation 1 and equation 2, this would also be equal, right? Is that correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Let's say that 2 equal to 2 and 3 equal to 3. So if I add them both,
Then
so
5 is equal to 5.
right, so the addition is also equal. So 1 plus 3 equal to 2 plus 4, which means that angle, what was the angle? So this was our whole purpose. Angle BAC, angle BAC, this is equal to angle QPR, right? So QPR, this was the whole purpose, right? So if these two are equal, then in triangle AB and triangle PQR. So AB by PQ, this is equal to what? AC by PR. This is given, and we have just proved that AC equal to angle PR. So this is here. So, oh, I I took 15 minutes extra. Oh, sorry, guys. So then triangle. Yeah, you guys didn't tell me. So this is your fault. You guys didn't tell me, and yeah. So
Sir, it's
YSS.
okay. The class started 15 minutes later than usual.
Yeah. Oh, we can think that way. Good. So that is how we can prove that this ABC is similar to PQR, right? So you guys see that these were two. Oh, did I? Oh, so the Learnivio team is calling me. So they are telling me to stop. Okay, so you guys will note down this problem in the next class. Okay. So on Wednesday, you guys think about this. Oh, you guys can note it down, right? So that much time we can. Let me take this call. Okay, guys. And you guys note it down. Yes, guys. So should I scroll down the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in here, so you guys saw that to prove that these two triangles similar, we had to find out the angle. And to prove that those two angles are equal, we needed different kinds of Okay, so from here we will go back again up. So yeah, you guys, whenever you guys have finished up to this point, you guys tell. And
Yeah, done, sir.
you guys have noted, okay,
Yes,
guys,
sir.
and yeah. So then note down from. And this is not a good question from my perspective. This is because the informations were not given, right? Okay, and the backup class for you guys for today only. So for today only, it will start from 9:50. Okay, 15 minutes later, because new people are joining, and I have to talk about yeah, so about the syllabus and all. So you guys join 15 minutes later, right? The link is same. So the
Sir,
link would
I might not be able to join today because I'll be traveling soon, so I have to go
yeah.
out with my family to get some.
Okay. Everybody in my both the batches, many people are traveling, and okay. So if you are traveling, then what we can, yeah. So
Okay.
and yeah, Amira and Faiz, if you want to join, right?
Sir, I will
Because I'm
surely come, inshallah.
yeah. So I'm starting with the first chapter. So yeah, you guys please join. And 15 minutes later, so the link would be same. And
Sir,
Abir,
9:15 or 9:50?
9:50. Yeah, 9:15, which is 7:45 KSS. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
and from the next time, Abir, please join, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Surely, inshallah, I'll join.
Sure, sure. Okay, so should I scroll down? Okay, I took how many minutes? 17 minutes.
Done, sir.
Done. Amira and Fez, what about you guys?
Done, sir. Alhamdulillah.